welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Christmas is upon us, and right now Dr. Ross is cold, so we're gonna get through these hot topics fast and smooth. Starting it off with the She's Hot contest. So we know you guys have been waiting for it, and it has finally come. Our winner for this week is Miss Quanah Potts.
Congratulations, Miss Quanah Potts.
Congratulations. She is an Alaskan model and also a land protector based in Fairbanks, Alaska. And you know, Dr. Ross, she is a 10 out of 10. She deserves this spot. But we want to let you guys know that all of these winners for the She's Hot contest are picked by none other than you.
That's right, the studio audience.
So make sure to put your votes down below in our DM box and make sure to send us emails. And if you think you have what it takes, send in your photos too, and you might be the next She's Hot winner.
She looks a little bit like Angelina Jolie, and she has the thing that Angelina Jolie wore. We'll put the picture right here. I don't know the exact name of it, but that's what she looks like.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Angelina Jolie was taking a bit of her style. But we're gonna get into our hot topics for today. Let's go!
So first we want to talk about this weather, because this weather is actually, if you can see us right now, it is the chilly season, the fall weather is coming out, but we're making this Rose and Gold not only to mention our She's Hot winner, but also to mention to you guys to keep you all posted how we do on our Rose and Gold channel. We will be in California in soon due time, the 9th.
Dr. Ross and I, that's right, we're actually going to be in LA this week, the City of Angels. So make sure to like, follow, and subscribe, because we're going to keep you guys posted on all of our LA endeavors.
That's right, and as for movie reviews, we've watched 2 movies in the last 2 days because we want to give you the upcoming movie reviews. So the first one we saw was Eternals. Eternals, and they give you a review sheet right when you walk in to know what the actual audience is thinking.
You're right,
Okay, what are we thinking?
You know, I thought the film was called, it should have been called The Emotionals.
That's
right. It was by
right.
far the worst Marvel film and an okay film by regular film standards. But we're gonna move into our next film that is...
Do better, Kevin.
That's right. Kevin Feige, do better on the next one. Our next film is Spencer.
Definitely an artsy film.
It's very, very artistic, and you know, some people may like this. This may be their thing, but to me, I think they're doing a disservice to Princess Diana's name. They're making her seem like a psychopath in this film.
That's right, and Kristen Stewart, her acting was the same as she was in the Twilight, but I will say, in the movie there is they call him the watch guard that used to be, I don't know if he was in the military, but he did a phenomenal job in his role. I really liked his character. He did amazing.
He really should get an Oscar. But guys, we're going to cut it off short, and we're going to cut it off with the Cowboys. So the Cowboys, they lost this game. Hopefully they do better next week.
That's right.
These were all of our hot topics, but Miss Pretty Lunel, we'll see you in LA, the City of Angels.
And congratulations once again to our She's Hot winner.
That's right, congratulations, Miss Quanah Rose.
Go get yourself some hot chocolate.
That's right, different things on different days. But we'll see you guys on the next episode. And for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. I grip it and I rip it. Live with a lot of flair. We're out.